It's just water, more precisely, a drop of water. But behind this simplicity lies the power that created our world. We use it every day without even realizing it. It is our most devoted servant, but at the same time, it is our most unpredictable master. 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom. This tiny formula contains 71% of planet Earth. However, water is the only common substance whose 3 phases naturally exist within the narrow temperature range characteristic of the Earth's surface. These phases are liquid, solid, and gas. Water can be found in rivers, lakes, swamps, seas, oceans, and underground. All of these are made of water. Even snow, frost, and ice are forms of water. Water is everywhere. Water characteristics. Physical properties. States of matter. Water exists in 3 states: liquid, solid, and gas. Melting point, 0 C. Boiling point, 100 C. Density, maximum density at 4 C, 1 gram per centimeter. Color, colorless in small amounts, but appears bluish in large volumes. Odor and taste, odorless and tasteless. Surface tension, high, which gives water droplets their rounded shape. Solvent properties, universal solvent, dissolves many substances. Heat capacity, high water heats up and cools down slowly, helping regulate temperature. Thermal conductivity, relatively high among liquids. Chemical properties. Chemical formula, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Molecular weight, 18 grams per mole. Neutral reaction, pH approximately equal to 7. Reactions, decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen during electrolysis. Reacts with active metals e.g. sodium, potassium, can act as both an oxidizing and a reducing agent depending on the reaction conditions. Biological significance. Major component of all living organisms. Participates in metabolism, thermoregulation, and nutrient transport. Serves as a habitat for aquatic organisms. Ecological and natural features. The water cycle maintains the balance of ecosystems. Water is a key climatic factor. In nature, pure water is rare. It usually contains dissolved salts, gases, and organic substances. Clean water. Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface, but only about 2.5% of it is fresh. Of that fresh water, less than 1% is available for human use. The rest is trapped in glaciers and underground. Pure water has no taste, color, or smell. Any change usually means impurities. The water molecule is one of the simplest yet most unique chemical compounds. Drinking clean water regularly improves metabolism, kidney function, and skin health. We all know that you can't drink seawater because it contains a lot of minerals and salts that can be harmful. Over 2 billion people worldwide lack access to safe drinking water. Water pollution is one of the leading causes of death in developing countries. The average person uses 100,150 liters of water per day, while in some African regions, people live on less than 10 liters. Wastewater treatment and reuse are becoming key technologies for the future. Producing 1 liter of drinking water from seawater through desalination takes about 34 kWh of energy. Fresh water is mainly found in glaciers, polar ice caps, and groundwater. A small part is collected in rivers and lakes. It is necessary to save water and protect it from pollution, because water can quickly become scarce. Chemical and scientific names of water. The chemical and scientific name of water is simply water, or it is denoted by the formula H2O. However, this formula refers only to absolutely pure water, which can be obtained exclusively under laboratory conditions. Even pure drinking water contains other minerals. There are also less commonly used scientific names for water. Hydrogen monoxide, hydrogen hydroxide, hydroxyl acid, dihydrogen monoxide, dihydromonoxide. Types of water. As mentioned at the beginning, water on Earth can exist in three main states: hard, liquid, and gas. In addition, water types can be classified by origin, composition, and application features. By the content of calcium cations and magnesium, soft water and hard water. By hydrogen isotopes in the molecule, light water, heavy water, and very heavy water. Other types: clean water, rainwater, seawater, groundwater, mineral water, less salty water, potable water, distilled and deionized water, running waters, surface water, pyrogen-free water, bound water, structured water, and other. Conclusion. Water is the most precious gift of nature and the basis of life. It is the most necessary substance for all living things on Earth. Humans, animals, and plants cannot survive without water. Therefore, water is considered the source of life. Today, the issue of clean water has become a major problem in the world. In some regions, there is a shortage of clean water, and many rivers and lakes are polluted with industrial waste. Drinking dirty water can cause various diseases. Therefore, we must use water wisely and try to keep it clean.